This is the first time I'm trying my hand at something like in the vlog format. I mean, yeah, for the 2% of you who has seen the Maulali vlog, that was in 2019, and that was the first time I tried it actually. So this is the first time I tried it in a long format, as in a proper ride all the way to Bangalore and back, and it was interesting. I mean, I thoroughly did enjoy the process of shooting and making, right now editing all of this. I know it's delayed by a lot, but yeah, trying my hand at something new. Hopefully I'll keep at it. I don't know, let's see. Anyway, back to the video, and thank you for watching.
I'll be saying yeah, yes.
So we are starting back to Hyderabad from Bangalore. We don't have some like starting footages because the GoPro was in our friend's car, which we just got now, and we are in this friend's family restaurant place, just getting some rotis, and then we'll be hitting the road.
So this is
Nikhil, Kranti, Bhargav, Sarika. Very busy. Another shot we missed after flight.
so we have been trying to pull out the shot of this flight since last 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah. So after a good meal, now we are hitting the roads again. The car is already left. We don't know if we'll be meeting them again. We'll see. This is a dairy milk break. So we have covered another
100 kilometers.
Yeah.
So it's 80 kilometers.
Yeah, we've covered almost another 80 kilometers, and some sling of the bag came off and it was hurting Vinay.
Nice bump.
Yeah, Vinay's bump. We didn't eat much at the restaurant where we stopped because we thought we might feel sleepy. But right now we are very hungry, and this is what we have, dairy milk. Yet another break, 100 kilometers done at a dhaba. Pretty fancy dhaba though. They have CCTV and stuff. Vinay's feeling shy.
So we are gonna get pushka paratha and
That's our food.
I didn't knew that video already. It's a omelette and the pushka paratha. This is a special from Uppal Padu, the village name around.
For the Malayalis out there, this is exactly like our parota. I wish we had some beef now. It would have been so good.
I'm not Malayali. I don't.
We got a bottle of water from this shop, and when we opened it, the seal was open. Vinay has gone back in to check with the shopkeeper if we can replace that, because it's water and you never know in places like these. It can be like refilled or whatever, I don't know. I think he got a new one. I'm not sure. He's coming with another bottle. Let's see. Did he give another one?
Yeah, he gave me a new one. See, the bottle is entirely different. That has filled up till the brim. Now see, just touch it. What the?
This is a normal or proper Kinley bottle. That was like filled till here, right?
Yeah. See how pressurizedly.
Always check your bottles. It will stop at 420. Right now mine shows 317. When mine hits 420, it will stop.
Right.
So that would be what from you?
250, 261.
Cool. Man, the helmet hair is so bad. Anyway, so as per our plan, we were supposed to meet up 100 kilometers after the dhaba again and take a rest stop and all, vlog some more. So apparently Vinay had to attend nature's call, and I thought he would have like forgotten about the plan to meet up and he would have gone forward karke. I also came like extra 15 kilometers, and then I realized I might need refueling, and then he called me. So he told me about the whole nature calling thing, and then I told him, okay, do one thing, I'll wait at this petrol pump, you come here and then we'll go together. I mean, go together as in continue the journey. So now I'm waiting for him.
2,000 years later.
There he is. Finally. Finally he's here. The Red Bulls are out. We are finally sleepy. This big one is for me. Vinay doesn't drink so much, so the small one is for him. By drinking so much, I mean he doesn't drink so much Red Bull. He may or may not drink other stuff. Cheers to finally doing this trip after like what? 8 months of the paracetamol taste of Red Bull.
I feel it like a big bubble chewing gum. We used to get that. And if you know that Monster,
Yeah.
that will exactly feel like a chewing gum.
Also, I don't think we'll be able to fuel here because I don't see anybody around. I went there. The toilets are actually good here. They're clean. It's okay, Vinay.
Alright,
So back
you want
to the things. We might. This break I think is gonna be a little longer one. We're kind of chilling here. Literally, it's cold for me, and we might reach by 140 more kilometers.
6 o'clock.
Yeah,
We'll make
6
it 6
o'clock
o'clock.
before sunrise. Hopefully, we'll be making one more stop anyway because we have to exchange the bags also. So now the bags are on the Thunderbird because more power anyway. So I didn't want to carry the bag. Now we'll start. We'll go directly into Hyderabad. When we reach Hyderabad, we'll where? Vedipatnam, do you think? Yeah, somewhere around
Aramgarh will split off.
Aramgarh.
The entry, as soon as we enter the city, we'll split
Yeah, I'll be going to Secunderabad where I live, and he'll be going to Jubilee, Westgate, Jubilee Hills and all.
So guys, I'm trying to add a little more footage of Ajish as we pre-discussed, and he's like totally disappointed that his face is not seen. I'm just making sure that his face is seen clear. Ajish, can you please pack up your things faster? And you know, guys, this guy will take all his life to just pack his things and get on the
No, I
bike.
don't. I'm done.
Where every f***ing time I'll be ready.
Yeah, I'm done. That was less than 1 minute.
I'm already packed long ago.
Yeah, because you asked me to take off my gloves for this. So we are in Hyderabad, shivering like anything. So I took a wrong route and went around the city to ORR and then came here. One big mistake costed me like 20 minutes. Sun is coming up and we are in
So
Hyderabad.
finally we made it a
Yeah.
trip from Hyderabad to Bangalore,
Bangalore and
Bangalore
back.
to back.
Oh, it's cold.
I don't know if it's only us feeling cold or everyone.
If the stabilization is not there, then the footage would be like this is how cold the hand is. Like trying to vlog with it, and the GoPro is just like.
So this is probably because we ran through all the cold.
No, like before we entered the city, like 150 kilometers before the city, it started getting really cold. Like the main highway NH44 was like okay, bearable cold. It was fine. We were like going like 90, 120 and all, and it was fine. Once we entered that last 100 kilometer stretch, it got like really cold. Cold, and Vinay is bringing some tea. Look how tea is
Malai
like.
wala tea.
Tea is like slip.
No, that's a Malai. Bro.
Yeah. No, it's like so cold that the look how the cup is shivering.
Looking
It's
at
falling out.
Okay, now please, if you take your tea, I'll have my Malai tea.
We had our tea and now we are leaving. Vinay is going to Jubilee Hills. Bye, Vinay.
Whoa! Take my keys out of my pocket.
Which pocket?
Put this way.
Not here. And I'm finally home. Feels good. Now I'll go back up these files and just go to sleep. I'll see you guys next whenever it is. I don't know.
Siddhana, so I was just wondering, do we have any Pune shoots lined up?